Body Systems Science Literacy article. The human body is composed of many different body systems. These body systems are groups of organs and structures that must constantly work together in order to perform important functions within the body. Body systems and the organs that make them up cannot work alone. They are dependent on one another and must coordinate in order to function correctly. If one body system fails, the other body systems are also affected. The major systems that make up the human body all have important structures and functions which allow us to survive and perform our normal daily tasks. The integumentary system is the body's first line of defense and acts as a barrier to protect the body from the outside world. This system helps to retain bodily fluids, protect against disease and injury, eliminate waste products, and regulate body temperature. This system contains the largest organ in the human body, skin. Other important structures of the integumentary system include hair, nails, and glands which secrete substances onto the skin. The skeletal system provides shape and support for the body. It also provides movement, protection, blood cell production, and mineral storage. This system is primarily made up of bones, but also includes cartilage and joints. Cartilage is a connective tissue for the bones, and joints allow the skeleton to be mobile. There are 206 bones in the skeletal system. The muscular system is responsible for the movement of and in the human body. The three types of muscles in the human body are skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones. Smooth muscles help to form organs such as the stomach and intestines, and cardiac muscles are found in the heart. Muscles that can be controlled, such as in our arms and legs, are called voluntary muscles. Muscles that cannot be controlled, such as our intestines and heart, are called involuntary muscles. There are over 650 muscles in the muscular system. The nervous system controls and transmits signals between the different parts of the body. This system acts as the control center, and it coordinates all voluntary and involuntary actions of the human body. Voluntary actions include raising your hand or running. Involuntary actions include digestion and respiration. Important structures of the nervous system include the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The circulatory system transports oxygen and nutrients to the body and removes carbon dioxide and other waste products. The primary goal of this system is to keep blood flowing within the body in order to act as a delivery system. Important structures of the circulatory system include the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The respiratory system is responsible for the exchange of gases between the human body and its surroundings. When you inhale, this system supplies the blood with oxygen, which is then transported to all parts of the body. It also removes carbon dioxide from the blood each time you exhale. Important structures of the respiratory system include the trachea, bronchi, and lungs. The endocrine system consists of glands that secrete hormones to regulate metabolism, growth, sleep, and reproduction. Generally, these glands secrete one or more hormones into the bloodstream. The hormones are then able to travel throughout the body and communicate with the necessary cells. Important structures of the endocrine system include the pituitary gland, the thyroid gland, and the adrenal gland. The lymphatic system is the part of the body's defense system that collects and transports a clear, colorless fluid called lymph. This fluid contains white blood cells that help rid the body of toxins and waste. This system also produces specific white blood cells called lymphocytes that are responsible for triggering the immune responses within the body. Important structures of the lymphatic system include lymph nodes, the thymus, and the spleen. The digestive system breaks down food into tiny molecules, which allows the body to absorb the nutrients. The body uses these nutrients for energy, growth, and repair. Digestion begins in the mouth as you chew and swallow your food. The food is further broken down as it passes through the digestive system. Any food that the body doesn't need is turned into waste and is removed at the end of the system. Important structures of the digestive system include the esophagus, the stomach, and the small and large intestines. The excretory/urinary system removes excess fluids and wastes from the bloodstream that can become toxic if allowed to build up. The kidneys remove waste such as urea from the blood and combines these wastes with water in order to form urine. The urine can then be discharged from the body. Important structures of the excretory system include the kidneys, ureters, and bladder. The reproductive system is responsible for producing offspring. This system produces eggs in females and sperm in males. The other main function of the female reproductive system is also to carry and nourish the offspring until birth. Important structures of the female reproductive system include the ovaries, fallopian tubes, and uterus. Important structures of the male reproductive system include the testes, vas deferens, and penis. There are many important organ structures within the body that make up the various body systems. Understanding the role of these structures and keeping them healthy is important for survival.